Hi, it's Terry Edwards here, Renegade Recruiter, and thanks for joining me. Wow, challenging times that we're living in. So, look, Terry Edwards, Renegade Recruiter. We're the guys that recruitment and search businesses owners come to when they want to scale their business and take their business to the next level. Please listen very carefully, because in my humble opinion, recruitment will never ever be the same. The fact is, contracts have been cancelled, search assignments are postponed, hiring budgets slashed completely. Undoubtedly, we are in turbulent times. Some people in the industry, some other recruiters right now are battening down the hatches and downing tools. The problem with battening down the hatches and downing tools is that once we get to the other side of these problems, and we surely will, they are sadly going to start from scratch again. If you think about it, if a recruiter's not working for the next 3 months or so, when they do come back, they're not going to have any pipeline. Now, what that means to you is actually it's quite positive. If you're prepared to roll up your sleeves and do the work now, there are many opportunities for recruitment and search business owners. Look, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying there's an abundance of business out there right now. But what I am saying that the hiring managers who have put things on hold right now will eventually start hiring again. And if you're at the forefront of their minds and you're the one that's going to be getting the business, that kind of goes without saying. Now, here's the thing. You must be prepared to challenge your conventional thinking and really willing to face up to your challenges and fears. There is a tried and tested method and process for identifying hiring managers who will recruit in the next few months, which will separate you from the other recruiters out there. That makes the offering of your service that much easier, as you have started the conversation now before the hiring manager actually pulls the trigger to start that assignment and gives that job order to half a dozen of your main competitors. Now, this will not happen if you're like some recruiters and you've downed your tools for 3 months waiting for things to return to normal. Things will never be normal again. Let's be absolutely clear about it. And the world has also got a lot smaller. When a hiring manager starts recruiting, you will have more competitors than ever before this pandemic. Because previously, a recruiter, when you were looking for a candidate, you would look for a candidate, probably the best candidate in a, 30, 40 mile radius. However, more and more of your candidates and clients are communicating online via chat rooms, Skype, teleseminars, to name but a few. And what that means to you is now that you can recruit the best candidate in the world rather than, say, a 40-mile radius. Now, the other side of that is that recruiters from around the world realise this, and they will also be after your local business that you once considered to be yours, because they can do this quite cost effectively, as they can also recruit anywhere in the world if they've got the technology and they know how to. On Wednesday the 15th, we're doing we're offering a free webinar, and we're going to give you the 3 proven strategies for protecting your cash, turning your business into a powerhouse of profits, and becoming the recruiter of choice in your sector or niche, even during these challenging times. And of course, it's a webinar, so there's no need for you to actually have to travel. So that's Wednesday, the 15th of April. If you go to makemoreplacements.com/live and reserve your place. Now, places are going to be limited, and some of you well know that you had challenging getting on last time because we're oversubscribed. So go there now and reserve your place. That's makemoreplacements.com/live, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Until next time, take care, take action, and be relentless. Thanks for joining me. Hi, Edward. Hi, John. Hi, Miri. Hi, Paul. Great. Thank you very much for joining us. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye.